Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Big Cartel store using DropInBlog. Once you've logged into your Big Cartel account, you'll end up here in the dashboard area. Navigate to Account, then click to go to your account page. In your account page, scroll down to Shop Design. Then click on Go to Shop Designer. Once there, on the right side of the page is the preview where you can see all of the changes you make as they will appear on your live site after you publish it. And on the upper right, if you click on Home, this is actually where you can choose which page you can view on your preview. And to the left is your sidebar. Click on Pages. Then under Pages, click on Add a new page. After that, name your new page. We'll name this one Blog to be simple, but you can name your page however you like. Click inside the text box and input your name. We'll keep this new page editor open. Now, the next thing to do is to go to your DropInBlog account so you can get the 2 lines of code that you need to add your blog to your Big Cartel store. I already have DropInBlog open in another tab. We'll just click on that tab to go there. In your account, in the Code and Layout page, scroll down. And under Blog Code, you'll see the 2 lines of code that you need. Click inside the text box of the first line of code to copy it. Then, return to the tab where you have your Big Cartel new page editor open. Inside the sidebar, click on the icon with the 3 dots. Then, in the expanded options, click on the icon with the angle brackets to edit the HTML. An Edit HTML window will pop up, and inside, paste the first line of code that you copied. Then, go back to your DropInBlog tab. Click inside the text box of the second line of code to copy it. Then, go back to your Big Cartel tab. Hit Enter or Return to start a new line. Paste your second line of code, and click on Done. Then, once again, click on Done, but on the sidebar. If you look inside the preview, scroll down, you'll see your blog. You'll also be able to see that in the preview in your navigation menu up here, you automatically have a link to your new blog page. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on Publish on the bottom right. A pop-up will confirm that your changes have been applied. Click on OK on the pop-up. And to check your live site, on the bottom here, click on Exit. And you'll be taken back to your account page. And we can just click on your shop URL here to go to your Big Cartel store. Great, so as you can see on the top here, like I mentioned, your blog automatically has a link to your navigation menu. Let's click on it. Let's see if everything's loaded. Let's scroll down. And there is your new blog. To finalize, we need to copy your blog URL. So this page specifically, just click inside the address bar and copy your URL. The next thing to do is to go to the settings page of your DropInBlog account. I already have this open in another tab, so we'll just click on it. Once in your settings page, under blog URL, click inside the text box and paste your URL that you just copied. Then click on Save All Changes. This is to make sure that all your future posts work accordingly and appear in your site. Let's check our site again. So go back to the tab where we have our Big Cartel site open. And this time, let's click on a post. So scroll down. Click on this one. And as you can see, everything has loaded perfectly. And that's how you add a blog to your Big Cartel store using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!